Hello viewers, this is Jubli Saikia and you're watching My News Any. In a dramatic turn of events that occurred in Tripura, on a court directive, the office furniture of South Tripura Administrative District Magistrate has been seized. Here we are bringing you the full details. Yet Tripura administration faces embarrassment again. Office furniture of the South Tripura ADM seized. Furniture seized on orders from Belonia District Court. Compensation unpaid for acquired railway land. Belonia Court enforced order after delays. ADM absent during court-ordered furniture seizure. Public sees incident as governance failure. Yes, viewers, in yet another stark reminder of administrative failure in Tripura, the residents of Belonia witnessed a dramatic scene when acting on a court directive. The office furniture of the South Tripura Additional District Magistrate has been seized. This action has been carried by the local Belonia court due to the administration failure to pay compensation related to a land acquisition case. The case pertains to a complaint filed by a local resident, Dilip Das, who alleged that he was not compensated for land acquired for the railway. The court, after hearing the matter under LA case number 71/721, ruled in the favor of the petitioner, directing the ADM's office to pay compensation. However, the administration reportedly failed to comply with the directive despite repeated notices. In response, the Belonia court issued an order to seize the ADM's office furniture, including the chair and table, as a symbolic enforcement of the judgment. The seizure, executed by court officers in full public view, drawing attention to administrative apathy. As per reports, the court had previously directed the concerned land execution collector to pay a compensation amount of around rupees 20 lakh to the petitioner, but despite repeated reminders, no payment was made, prompting the court to take this drastic step. Presently, court ordered to pay rupees 42 lakh along with the penal interest and penalties. This is not the first instance of such administrative embarrassment in Tripura. A similar incident occurred last year in Sipahijala district, where the land acquisition collector's office was also subjected to court seizure over a compensation issue. The issue escalated when ADM was not present in his office at the time of seizure. The episode took place in full public view, drawing large crowds and prompting discussions about the current state of governance in Tripura. Locals and political observers see the incident as a serious administrative lapse and a reflection of government's inability to comply with judicial mandates. Legal experts point out that this kind of public court action reflects not only a breakdown in compliance mechanisms but also an erosion of public confidence in administrative efficiency. Here is what one of the officials have stated about the incident.
আচ্ছা
ওইখানে কেসের রায় হয়েছে আরো অনেক আগে রায় পেমেন্ট না করার পরে এক্সিকিউশন কেস। আচ্ছা এক্সিকিউশন কেস করে আমরা জজ কালেক্টরের এই জাজের অর্ডার মূলে আমরা আইসি।
জাজ কে ছিলেন? জাজ কে ছিলেন?
জাজ ছিলেন গোবিন্দ দাস। ওই টাকা যদি পরিশোধ করে দেয় আমরা তাহলে আমরা
That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.